Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to buy a brownie token. So guys, before start, this video is not financial advice, and let's get started. Do your own research before investing or before purchase any cryptocurrency. So guys, this is the contract address and this is listed on Dex screener, guys. This token, what you have to go, I will go to my Bitget wallet for example, and then I make sure you have BNB chain, this option, and write your contract address, come from the website or from Dex tools and or from scan. And what you have to do, click this one. After that, guys, click write your copy your contract address, click add, as you can see here, option as I added successfully, and go back and click swap option, guys, or click this one brown and click swap buy. As you can see here, you can buy on your P2P or you can buy with your Visa, and click swap option and for example USDT, and make sure you have USDT amount. Write your amount USDT, for example $10 USDT, and click exchange, and you make you choose, and make sure, guys, you have enough money in your wallet here, and I don't have enough money. And just this example to how to buy, this is how you can do, guys, and make your transaction. And this is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Any question, guys, down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.